Hey, yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Tusco, aka Mr. Flow So Nice, aka Matiba Totle, because you already know, man, I talk too much. Back with you with another one, Bafetu. Now, Bafetu, for those of you that don't know, the beef with Cruz Africa and MT, which was something I was starting to forget about. I actually thought it was over, but it's been an ongoing beef. For those of you that don't know, I've been covering it for quite a while now. I started covering it, I think, from about like the 23rd of December. And it basically starts. I'm gonna drop links in the description for the videos that I did on this particular beef. For those of you that don't understand how the whole story came about, how it grew to get to this point, but I'm just gonna give you a brief overview. It basically started with Cruz Africa and MT having this back and forth on Twitter and on Facebook, and it wasn't just Cruz and MT. It was also Java, Saudi, and a number of the ambitious artists included in that. Where Cruz Africa was complaining about the fact that his former friends and those guys were no longer acknowledging him now that they're successful, citing the fact that they were now thinking that he didn't help them to succeed or to get to where they are. Now, after that, I don't know how it eventually just settled in and started zooming in specifically on MT. I believe it's because MT keeps responding more than the other artists. But MT, and him will continue to have this back and forth to a point whereby they were challenging each other to a boxing match. And then after challenging each other to a boxing match, it grew to a point whereby they were now calling each other and actually threatening each other. The threatening each other came at the back of Cruz Africa dropping a diss track, and I put the diss track on the channel. You guys can check it out and let me know what you think about it. The link will also be on the in the description. But yeah, it grew to that point, and it got to a point whereby Cruz Africa and MT got to a point whereby they were actually exchanging phone calls, or to be more precise, MT called Cruz Africa with a threat. I don't know what threat it was. They didn't mention to me. They just told me that there was a threat. There were threats involved, and Cruz Africa ended up calling the cops. Now, above calling the cops, after calling the cops, there was a court case that was filed, and it's been an ongoing case. I'm happy to say today that I'm reporting that they finally settled that beef, which is great, which is awesome, which is something that I think was needed. They've settled that court case, but it doesn't necessarily mean they've settled the beef. So I don't know whether they are going to go back to being friends after this. I hope that they do go back to being friends because, I don't think it makes sense for you guys. You're both talented. You guys are both making good music, I think, or can make good music. I think you guys should just, and you both have deals. I think you guys should just get back in the studio, make music, make the hits that the people want, and maybe even get back to working together because I don't see why you guys can't work together anymore. Though I hear people complaining, I heard some complaints or some rumors to say that the reason that Cruz Africa songs with MT were never dropped by MT is because Ambitious Entertainment was stopping that. But I can't confirm that because I do not have proof of whether Ambitious Entertainment actually did that. But I just think friendship should not be ruined by success, should not be ruined by what the entertainment industry actually is. So I'm hoping that they get back to being friends. And I'm just hoping that the beef is actually over. Though they haven't officially squashed the beef, they've just said that they've settled out of court. So they didn't actually go to trial with the case. But Faith, I want to hear your comments on this topic. Definitely leave a comment. Definitely subscribe. And for those of you that are not up to date, watch those videos and then come back and watch this one too in order to understand the whole story. Let me know, Bafetu, do you think that the beef is actually over now that they've settled this? Will they go back to being friends, or do you see it as, it's just guys saying, we are settling this one, we're settling this fight, but we still have some guns in the arsenal for each other? Definitely comment, definitely subscribe. Awesome. Now wait, Emma Pili. I know you wanna go, but click that red button and subscribe and put some respect on a younger name, man. Awesome.